Sa may DDP.
Kuan.
안녕하세요. Nice to meet you. I'm Diana.
Welcome to Nami Island.
어두운 불빛 아래 촛불 하나
So our day tour starts right now. It's pretty cold. Hopefully the sun gets up. Para mainit-init pag gamay ba. Pero hangin juga. Ayaw yung bugdang. Ayaw master.
Kay gloomy man, look.
Mong gani, gloomy gani.
Basta mag-snow.
Laisyo mag-snow.
Yeah, gloomy man.
Pwede, good luck to mag-snow.
Instead of rain, wish for snow.
Oh no, kung rain ka, you'll get soaked up man.
Yeah.
But for snow, dili pa man ka masok up man. Pasak ka na. Whatever. So ito lang sudan natin mga lakaw-lakaw. Let's go. Hanbok time! Woo! Pretty consider me. Oh, Master Mix.
Hi,
Si
안녕하세요.
Anyang Emperor. Si Lou.
안녕.
Bini-bini. Mr. Marco. Annyeong.
Anyong.
Annyeong. Let's go check out Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Make
Let's
first moment happen.
Yes! Guys, time check 1 p.m. and we have to go back again there at 1:10 and so that we can
On a marathon.
nalapunta rin mga dagan-dagan. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Basta. So finally we made it and we already changed our clothes. It's past 1 p.m. already. We're so hungry and thirsty at the same time. Kapoy, kapoy! Finally lunchtime! And we just finished our lunch and we are still around here. Let's go check it out. I don't know.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey guys, so we're heading to Seoul Tower and we bought a round trip ticket for cable car going there for 9,500 Korean won. Go guys!
Hoy tao.
Kumusta ang kape?
Lamig kayo.
Hey guys, we're here now at Namsan Tower and there's a lot of people over here, but let's go check it out. The view is magnificent. It's really cozy up here. What else have we got here? Let's go check it out.
어두운 불빛 아래 촛불 하나 와인잔에 담긴 약속 하나 항상 너의 곁에서 널 지켜줄 거야 날 믿어준 너였잖아
Oh, mo tali ang place nga ka ng mag-love-love pero wala man tayong love. Ay mo din love kaya wala dire.
Wala dire.
Shout out na lang.
Shout out to Marco Bino. Marco sana.
Shout out na tanong.
Hi, I wish you were here. My oppa in the Philippines.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.
Cause your love is so sweet You are my everything 첫날 밤에 단 꿈에 젖어
that was the best place to pee, you know. Sa inyo, kaya makita niyo city.
Makito!
Oh?
Saka?
Init galing sa CR cause the sun was in my face.
Well, that was really fun, huh? Did you have fun
Yeah!
while peeing?
Lami.
Sa rainbow.
Hindi siya lamig, kaya pugnaman pero parang prop ko sa picture.
Oh.
Wow!
Among urinal with the view.
Hala ko eh. Oh, what's your
Pero pig lang.
So let's go to our next destination. See you there. Hey guys, so finally we are here at the hostel that Pastor Marco booked. Pastor Marco booked by Airbnb, and there's Lou, Migs, and Pastor Marco over there. And I really wonder why the aircon is not working. I-vlog lagi. Kita mo kay bugnaw kayo. So i-open na mga windows para makasunod ang bugnaw. So, kuan nagsige mig lakaw-lakaw ganyan bibiyan, no? Today is not yet the last day, so dapat tayo next vlog for Korea. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And see you in the next video. Peace and love. Annyeonghaseyo. Kapoy na ako.